Hey guys, finally he sleeps here, back again with another video here for the GearHeads channel. And today we have a new Bluetooth speaker that was sent to us to check out and review. The case and packaging looks pretty stout. We're going to open this up. We're going to test it out. I really don't know a whole lot about this coming into it. It says it's made by Muzen Audio. It says born to be wild. It's got kind of this old military look to it with the case and everything, so we're going to check it out. It's sealed, so we're going to open it up, and then we'll take a look at it. The case, though, hard plastic. It's got some weight to it. I'm kind of excited to see exactly what this is, just because of how big it is. Let's do a proper opening for this. All right, here's the box. I love the construction of the box, the weight, the quality so far. Let's see if the speaker lives up to the hype. Wow. This thing is super tiny. Oh my gosh, it is so cute. The weight is crazy. I mean, it is. I'm gonna weigh it. We'll weigh this thing just to tell you how big it is, because I am blown away at the weight on this thing. Good grief. The quality is crazy, though. I saw pictures of it when they sent it and did not realize how tiny it was. I was expecting something, big, like filling the case. Well, we'll have to see what the sound quality is compared to it. Okay. I like the Morse code touch to it. I don't know Morse code. I'm curious what that is. Let's see. What all does this come with? Is there... All right. Foam inserts. Okay. Instructions. USB charging. Power switch, flashlight control, track switch, volume knob, loudspeaker. Pretty substantial. It's multi-language, so it's only a few pages in English. We need to charge this thing before we go any further. This is where the charging is. All right, we're gonna charge it so that we can get full quality testing out of this. All right, so it's been charged. I just put it on for about an hour. We'll test to see the battery life, to see how long this thing goes, but it is connected now. This is the first time we're gonna hear the audio. This button right here, before we go any further, this button right here is pause. This rotates to change tracks. This is actually a pressable button, and this is what turns the flashlight on. And it has a pretty bright flashlight. I think it's a long press to turn it off. And this is your power. And as far as Bluetooth connection goes, it was so quick, had no issues with it whatsoever. So let's go ahead and hear the sound. Volume. Creatures, a world to know. Alpha spirits still bold. And free from normal years ago. I am impressed. As tiny as this thing is, holy cow, the sound is crazy. Damn. Can you hear that's how much sound is coming out of this thing. All these adventures, impressed. And the pause. Sound, I am so impressed with the sound coming out of this tiny little thing. I want to know how much it weighs yet, and it's got a strap here. You can kind of hang it from something. This is where it was the charging port. But we have Slammed Enough this weekend, and the thought was we were going to take this along with us to Slammed Enough to use for the weekend, just so we have some Bluetooth sound. I have a big Bluetooth speaker that we normally carry, but this, I feel like the case is kind of overkill. This thing feels pretty substantial. I don't think, I know that there's a speaker behind here and there's some quality that, we need to pay attention to as far as not damaging it, but it feels so rugged that I don't think I'm concerned about actually, throwing this in the bag and carrying it with me. But quality-wise, I want to see how loud it goes. We're going to take a decibel rating on this thing just to see how powerful it is. But even the quality, there's some bass coming out of it. You got mid, high. It sounds really good. I will be honest. I was incredibly skeptical when I opened this case and saw this tiny little thing, but it does not disappoint. As long as you keep watching, I will keep making videos. He declares, in addition to the realm, he fights his beats, forever creating, never retreats. All right, we're looking at about 95 decibels on the high end here, which is comparable to a decent small Bluetooth speaker. It does sound much louder than what the decibel rating is giving us, 95, 96. I mean, that's definitely, the rating was somewhere between like a loud engine and a blender. So, I mean, I don't know how loud you're really expecting something like this to go, but 95 decibels at max volume is still pretty impressive. I figured it would be a good idea to read the instructions to figure out everything this thing does. And the one thing was the flashlight. You long press, and then short press, it goes dimmer, and it has an SOS function for camping, which is nice. Bright, dimmer, SOS. Okay, turn it off. It is rainproof. It has a waterproof rating, but it's a low enough waterproof rating that it's just listed as being rainproof. So it's not something you can take, swimming or anything like that, but it is rainproof. So I think the biggest issue is going to be the speaker as far as all of that goes. Weight, it was 0.55 pounds. It's really kind of lightweight with that, but I'm talking about how substantial it feels. There's a difference between being heavy and being substantial and rugged, and I think we're on that line between the two. I don't feel like it's necessarily heavy, but it does have weight to it, which is a positive. Overall, though, I am just blown away by the quality of this thing, everywhere from the packaging down to the construction to the sound and the size. Being so tiny as a mini speaker is amazing. As darkness falls and screams of finally, he sleeps. I hope this information helped. If it did, make sure you subscribe here on the channel so you never miss when any of these videos go live. As long as you guys keep showing up, I'll keep making videos.